Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which uh, I teach you about some easy freelancing skills on which you can sell the skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn easy money. So guys, let's go to Fiverr and let's see that there is a demand of this skill or not, which I teach you today. And the skill is poster design. So I am on fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms. So I write here poster, like poster design, and you can see there are 17,000 plus results. Competition is normal. So let's analyze one of the gig and let's go towards this gig. I will design professional flyer or poster. Okay, in basic he charged $35, and sorry, she charged $35, and he's top rated. And in standard he charged $70, and in premium he charged $110. And this is just a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. I will teach you how you can create uh, like poster like these. So the software which we use to design our poster is called Canva, and I am going to canva.com, and it is the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. So here I write in the search option poster, and you can choose like double-sided A3 landscape, or like double-sided A3 portrait, or whatever. Or you can also like give your own custom size here, but I am choosing from their own. Like I want to create a poster in landscape, so I click on this, and I want to create a poster for food restaurant. So here I write in template design like food, and you can see there are hundred of templates. You can easily customize one of the template, and like this one. Yeah, it's look good. If you want to change the image, so you can also do this. So I am going to photos, and here I write food. I like this one, so I replace the background, and I would like to change the color of this text. No, yeah, this look good. And you can change the, like you can uh, get information from client and put in the section. I put a dummy website here, and you can change these, and after that click on share and go to download, and download in PNG, JPG, whatever you want. So uh, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.